during the last recession, we were just dealing with a lot of uncertainty of like, what should I be doing for my career if I can't get a job or I can't get access to stuff?
It's okay to have that freak out moment and not have to figure it out so instantaneously.
Don't have set expectations of how things should turn out. Reach out to people you know and have conversations, because all the jobs I've ever had were through people I know.
That 2008 elections actually brought a lot of hope and opportunity of getting engaged in politics, getting engaged in organizations, and that actually gave some semblance of hope that we could actually still be doing some good work during some uncertain times. And, we're kind of seeing that now.
Be okay with the exploration process, because that's where you find the beauty of something you think you may or may not like.